You're always welcome on board this random flight VFR9 to Paris Bouvet Airport. Your captain in command of today's flight is Captain, assisted by First Officer. Today, myself, Margarita, together with Marina, Fabrizio, Manuel, and Eduardo, we shall be taking good care of you en route. Flight time will be 2 hours and 5 minutes.
Henkel traffic, this is Blue S1 taking off from Henkel, heading back to Reykjavik.
What is the flight time roughly on the get back to
Reykjavik? 15 minutes more or less.
Okay, I've got 40 minutes recording time, you see.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
No problem. So what's going to come up on our left side very soon is the geothermal power plant that I was talking about. They run gas turbines with the hot steam coming out from the surface, and that's one of the electricity supplies for Reykjavik.
Okay.
Right there.
Wow.
And Henkel area traffic, Blue S1 leaving Henkel into the east practice area and then to Reykjavik. I didn't copy that last call very well. On east training area. This is Blue S1, about 3 miles to the northeast of Samske, 2,000 feet heading to Reykjavik. And that's itself at 1,500 feet. Hey, today no Nicholas, Nicholas Alpha. Akureyri leita að þér og vinsanlega komdu upp í síma til Akureyri hvað þú stattur og
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. We are expecting some turbulence. Thank you.